Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling compasses on Amazon. Whether you're an avid hiker, a dedicated scout, or just someone who loves to explore the great outdoors, having a reliable compass is essential. So without further ado, let's get started. Title: Automotive Compass Ball for Car or Boat. Are you ready to navigate your adventures with precision and confidence? Let's dive into our number 5 pick, the Automotive Compass Ball for Car or Boat. Installation is a breeze. First, step outside your vehicle to determine the correct direction. Remember, the white dot points the way forward. Keep in mind that any other compass should be at least 20 inches away from the ball compass to avoid interference. Now, inside your car, it's crucial to choose a spot free from iron and magnetic objects. This ensures the ball compass aligns perfectly with the direction outside. Finally, peel off the double-sided tape and secure your compass. This compass is built to last. Its shockproof and waterproof design means it can withstand rough conditions without missing a beat. And when it comes to accuracy, you can trust it to point you in the right direction every time. But beware, not every spot in your car is compass-friendly. Magnetic objects can throw off your readings, so take your time to find that perfect place. With the Automotive Compass Ball, you're not just getting a tool. You're investing in reliable, precise navigation for every journey. Title: Car Compass Ball. Dashmount, adjustable compass ball with bottom stick. Presenting our number 4 pick, the Car Compass Ball. This versatile navigation tool is your perfect companion for adventures on land and sea. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this compass is built to last. It's sturdy, waterproof, and incredibly easy to clean. With a clear and accurate scale, you can rely on it in any condition. The strong adhesive tape at the bottom ensures it stays firmly in place no matter how long your journey. Finding your way has never been easier. This compass ball operates without any external power source, making it ideal for long-distance travel, hiking, or emergency situations. Just remember to keep it away from magnetic objects to ensure accurate readings. Installation: a piece of cake. Simply peel off the protective film from the adhesive tape and stick it onto any smooth, flat surface. If the compass points incorrectly, it's likely due to magnetic interference in the car. Just reposition it until you find the sweet spot. And don't worry if there's a slight deviation in readings, as magnetic fields vary by region. This compass isn't just practical, it's also stylish. Measuring 3.1 inches x 2.2 inches x 2.5, it fits seamlessly in cars, RVs, trucks, boats, and more. Plus, its unique design makes it a great decorative piece for your car, home, or office. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and New Year, sure to delight your loved ones. Enhance your navigation and style with the Car Compass Ball, a blend of function and elegance ready to guide you wherever your journey leads. Title: Car Compass, Automotive Compass. Ball for car, boat, truck, and more. Let's take a closer look at our number 3 pick, the Car Compass Ball. This is not just a navigation tool, it's a must-have accessory for any adventurer. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this compass is corrosion-resistant, environmentally friendly, and built to last. It's sturdy and durable, promising a long service life that won't let you down. Installation is a breeze. With adhesive on the bottom of the adjustable compass ball base, you can effortlessly attach it to your car, boat, or any other vehicle. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to use it anywhere with ease. Reading directions has never been simpler. The adjustable mounting bracket and visible lubrication line make it easy to see your direction and data. With a quick response and precise navigation, this compass ensures you always know where you're headed. The precise dial is designed for easy readability, even for those with nearsighted eyes. This automatic compass provides precise direction and features a unique and exquisite design. It stimulates your desire to explore the unknown and guides you through every joyful journey, making each adventure a memorable one. Its versatile size of 3.1 inches x 2.2 inches x 2.5 inches makes it perfect for use in various cars, RVs, trucks, boats, and more. Whether you're navigating the open road or the high seas, this compass is your reliable guide. Embrace the spirit of exploration with the Car Compass Ball, your trusted companion for every adventure, ensuring you always find your way. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling compasses on Amazon? Well, don't lose your way. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always on the right track. Title: Victor Products Inc. Suction Cup Mini Compass. Presenting our number 2 pick, the Victor Products Inc. Suction Cup Mini Compass. This compact marvel is a game-changer for navigation enthusiasts. Engineered for precision, this mini compass features a free-floating ball and liquid damping. This ensures quick settling even on the roughest routes, offering you reliable guidance no matter the terrain. One of its standout features is the large, easy-to-read letters. No more squinting or struggling to decipher your direction. Clear readings at any mounting angle make navigation straightforward and stress-free. The mini suction cup design is incredibly versatile. You can effortlessly attach it to your windshield or any smooth surface, making it perfect for cars, boats, and RVs. This compass adapts to your needs, providing flexibility and convenience. The liquid float mechanism adds another layer of reliability. It ensures smooth and stable readings, so you're always on the right path. In a sleek black color, this mini compass not only performs exceptionally, but also looks great in any setting. It's a blend of functionality and style, perfect for those who demand both. Navigate with confidence and ease with the Victor Products Inc. Suction Cup Mini Compass. Your trusty companion for every journey, big or small, ensuring you always find your way. Title: Car Compass Ball, Dashmount Adjustable, Compass Ball with Bottom Stick. Topping our list at number 1, we have the Car Compass Ball. This versatile navigation tool is an absolute must-have for every adventurer, whether you're on the road, trail, or open water. The Car Compass Ball boasts a wide range of applications. Completely independent of any power source, it guides your way through long-distance navigation, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Measuring 3.1 inches x 2.2 inches x 2.5, its compact size fits seamlessly in cars, RVs, trucks, and boats alike. Finding your direction has never been simpler or more reliable. This compass ball is designed to operate without any external tools, making it perfect for emergency situations where energy might be scarce. It adds an essential layer of security to your travel safety, ensuring you always know which way to go. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the protective film from the adhesive tape at the bottom and stick it to any smooth, flat surface on your dashboard. If the compass points inaccurately inside the car, it's likely due to magnetic interference. Just reposition it until you find the optimal spot. Durability is a key feature of this compass. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's not only sturdy and waterproof but also easy to clean, guaranteeing a long service life. The smooth surface and clear, accurate scale ensure you can always read your direction effortlessly. Plus, the strong adhesive tape keeps it firmly in place, no matter how long your journey. But this compass isn't just about functionality. It's also a stylish addition to any setting. Its unique appearance makes it an excellent decoration for your car, home, or study room. And it's a thoughtful gift for any occasion, sure to delight family and friends. Choose the Car Compass Ball for unparalleled precision, reliability, and style. Your ultimate guide for every adventure, ensuring you always find your way with confidence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling compasses on Amazon. Stay updated with all the top products by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the compasses featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.